Samaje fiasem ne yebeka still John Dramani Mahama first 120 days no so yebeka adubo ahen ensensem a eba de enra wo court yesi ni bill no time na so nti ejale wonko fie osi abonten na mo se yasan ache no yesi fresh charges assign aba nti no de ekoso no say intimidation tactics no mo use say eye di yon de ekoso eno no na enkomo bebre ewudwem enkomo bebre ewokrum MPP for penifo ekoso agigi proposals anas bibisa from party for penifo say a brass say party no constitution no sakra kakra bem according to Professor Michael Kwei committee report and by say and sakra kakra say ba party constitution no say bi bem automatic committee ya I think so work with upon command secretary and abibisa and Davis chairman of the committee Lawyer Davis enti wa we MPP ni a wo gidi say baby a constitution na dia bedru no ese sakra ba mu no hworo kakra na fa koma committee no mo so ehwem ebia obetimi untimi pontwra se bi mpedwesa adwe wutim enti mususu obetira ka che ubi se bacho ade a megidi se constitution we mu no ha meni enti yen sakra kakra na waka che ba ko no watwra mam fefefe na koma committee no mo so ahwem se so gina mu a na omodia ye adwuma so far no interesting proposals be ebi mu kwa chese nka abatwa na yeto ya from constituency police station e basa na ba bedu national executive via na ba beto flag bearer no ebi mu chese nka yen started from flag bearer because ebi mu chese sika tua no doso dodo enti sise no obi e ba be ye police station e yi executive a ne so aim ni say wo ba be ye delegate because that chibi no obeto ama general secretary national chairman lwasaba beto ama flag bearer ubenye kakra e wo hono mo edipelefo bi chese ke starting free soro ye to soro de ni wi sepedia e ba I don't really know how that one works but omo nchechemu kama and some of them are saying say it is even consistent with the MPP constitution no enti be di e ho nkomo ebi so chese ye miade num e ma enipa bebre meka ho se be ya siketua basa na ewomu no we de obi ntimi nka chese siketua enim siketua ewomu bia hu eto bia de have siketua ekoso no na obi ho no wa pe 32 inch color television ye no obi pepe be 200 chese no ye top up na si baabi eto wo say ade na bodro say pe na wo say no wakoyi ni pa 200 na say munhia mechira ha na sa de 32 inch color TV no de ama wo bia ye no ye top up enti eye no kre sema wo ho no mo nti ye obi ntimi fancy and it is even on record say e ka hu nti na MPP so far sa defeat enko fo hu de na ekoso na wo bepe MP adi what you 5,000 de ma wo bi no bi bepe president adi dia wo se kole to ni free ene me so magibi nti sa ye nkoma ekoso a nti no mesre ment na nchen ka say wo mu ye constitutional ayi ni kurampo no ma antehwe ye ho announcement ya say kakra wo no fako no mo enti na mo hwe se eto asomu a o betimi ede aye adwuma once again program di Ghana enti ha ye wuntumi radio 95.9 o betimi ahwe ye ewo YouTube no so ye we ya ye Met TV so ya kra ye arrange kaka we ye Met TV so bet radio so na ewo YouTube so enti no de ewo hol enti join ni na ye ni enkomo na ene esembebre akoso na sedie yentiti etie yesu nipa nya asem bia na eto de bia na wososo ye wo so gubekum oso na wo kona hu abrebie na okudi abrebie chi na kubu nemu a okufa na wo ka ne sen enti woso na na ese wo fokoso na okukum enti yende sa na bekoso we are targeting the elephant, we are targeting the tiger, we are targeting the lion ono ena ye china bulu komu dia bon kwan na enye kotre ne abrebe yifo bi a woje kofo bi o mo ne nam chenchen ena ye ba be fi wo mo asem we adwoada me bagana nti na me bagana nti no na it was a part of the topics I be discuss of course enipa mmienu no penifo mmienu ena mo anya asem go court intimidie enka susu so bia anywhere family ho but yetiefo eni ahwefo no na omu busa say na orobo kene Japan ene Anas aremia Anas asem na ekọ court no ekosi sen enkofo bebre send the message bara me so okay fine let me also try and then inform the public say me bacho me a trained journalist me or my classmate apart from some work course mates me or classmates also enti o person who say me a trained journalist abrantie wo multimedia Natalie Nato so expose was I MC me wa we me meet or my classmate me the course me the call face this we Halifax Ansado yeah so okay FM and as in it okay we program ho and na was publishing newspaper I think they got new publisher also or also a journalist or no say me classmate Kofi Japan of YE or also a journalist or no say me classmate Aisha Ibrahim Aisha no multimedia and say was free ho Aisha Ibrahim also honestly me classmate eti Dawson yenya ku AUCC eti me a trained journalist eti me dwuma ne say I will inform, entertain and educate me yes adwoni die asem bie ni ho no ma ye de taboa to me so say asem we de ba God man ka bi e obi ampo so ntimi nkasa obi ntimi nkasa say obi asem ba man ka bi en de aminim akukuduro boni a obenya be kan sa asem na kire me na yakukuduro boni enti obi abusa nipa bebre busa say asem no kosi sei makenkan bi ena me so asem no me di nchechemu e bae in fact no kre na me kan no kre ena me kan ese tro need ye yes wo court a report fact no wo commentary bi a commentary no waka later eti obi a meme trained journalist when I speak to facts a court case eti mo court document akala mpatwa ya kra me call now the atoso amama hwade se honorable kene Japan ene Anas asem na aye na ye ka ho asem no se mote so obi ka ho asem ya mumu se nipa kro ne se document e wo ho e wo hefa asem ne sen Anas se honorable kene Japan akasa e wo radio station bi so e wo America na wakasa aye no wagu no ho fi enti wode ne court asi no for defamation asem no ye kan ye eche wode court ache more than 2 years afenda asem ye die omukọ no jury trial no enye bench trial jury trial ni say a civil case jury trial asem ni say asem na ba ni ya frame penifo lawyer for crop we lawyer ni bias wo nka ho civil servants ni ade teacher ni carpenter ni we dey bia etimi frame say asem ye de atomanim etimomo nhwe evidence na ewo mu nyina na mumu atan wo ho mubu atan ni wi a mo famra judge anim na judge no anyintum ti judge no gitum no register say pa na mo just say mo verdict no about the final verdict asem no call ye jury trial but you ntie wo jury trial jury ni tena asem so gi obi a document obi a bo ni nkro no jury ni say asem ono bu kere Japan e ka fa Anas aremya Anas ho no wanka ni yi enti etisade ya ombebo onobo kene Japan ka sa no mo kan e ka no ombebo de ka senya omuso mo bo de ka $18 million enye one amount chechimu miensa nye me na mbe chechimu ba ko ye 5 ba ko ye 5 ba ko so 8 enti eye miensa $18 million. Eti jury no e de omasem na abatudwa e ma judge e na wo kwa so wagitum anase wonyintum. Omoka 18 million no e na honorable Kennedy Japan lawyer for say 18 million no e do so dodo. Na law of defamation e wa America de sa 18 million no jury omuni kwan so mutimi de sa 5 million 8 million no e so dodo. Eti mefa de say technically they appealed against the fine. But they did not appeal against their ruling. Say, Japan, they appealed against the fine. They said it was too exorbitant. Eti enyesa asamuna yebuogulu so no. Say they disagree. Rather, they think say sikano sododo. Na sikana jury na kano. A bro jury no a mandate. Enti broni Friday bi remite. Yes, ayi UK for can remite and na America for can remitted. REMITTUTR. And na omo tro mo si da bi ade no sododo. And na no bukere Japan lawyer for. Etina se tro krata reasons, legal reasons why ya any say wotimi tuasa 18 million ne sododo. Eti judge no enye jury ni biemo judge no enhwe asem no sikatua no na wonte so wonte sika no so o enka se woni fo biemo e fon de itimi se waje atu na emom no fine no wo se yente so ma no Bible sumini enra chi ena judge no edi ni ruling ba ye say wa hwe bibia na sika no sododo emremu tia sika no sododo enti no anas sika na wo pen wonya wodi bim na so wonya say sika no enti onobu kere Japan entua $500 efama anas aremiyaw anas enketu akotwene de atwene me asem wei common sense be kire we say de tie ne say orobu kene Japan asem no odifo na emom no sika anas e de court say yagu no hu fin eti ye damage ike efantwa orobu kene Japan no say sika no na wanya etu court krata mu a orobu kene Japan odifo. But ene Ocean newspaper back I think Daily Gist front page say na $18 million bi any hono ma court to be etwa ma no bukere Japan so wontua na central for ye kasa asem ye boa enya dokore metwe ho amenti ase. I don't get it. Me enya me deso obi na of course na this candidate come na asa me ka menya bi. But I'm stating the facts, and the facts must be stated. Obintimin two foot wrong will be any. As I see court, why do you want to just say everyone and go for intimate and shamada paramis? Facts will always prevail. Akaline Pacho, court no ruling na court in the bar and rechi. Fatu screen also. Me send the mamo. Unfortunately, say bupa munko YouTube or the better so. Na me read magana fo nyina enti say asema judge no waka no court no was say minim say akala what that I don't go share so that to so that men kind straight away numbers come monitor free as in okay eti wo hwe ha say ya Judge Nidin Honorable Jeffrey B. Beecham. Krata no watro was filed 2:16 p.m. May 12, 2025. Hook about your yeah, she say you YouTube all man, but check mami. Check mami, let's share with me. Okay, I can read. Was say Superior Court of New Jersey Law Division, Essex County. And now radio ye na address in the hu hia memobo. Anas Aremiyaw Anas plaintiff versus Kennedy Ohene Ejapon and Frederick Asamoah defendants. Pacho Muntie. Was a civil action order granted. Me pacho ti was day order granted. Court who now make appeal for BBA and ye granted. If you don't request for anything, nobody will grant it to you. People are saying, Honorable Kennedy Japan team never appealed for anything, and that there was no fine of 18 million. I don't get it. Me making kind. Me making kind. Me and Central making kind. I think it's Central for making kind accountants. Accountant the Momakola calculator na mo use na mo ayi, but say we accountant na akwa say ye bobo na strike is in prana defender ti baby be strike o ma ball so boom ma ball so boom yentie was it this matter having been brought before the court upon application by Cornell Foley LLP and Breslin PA, attorneys for defendant Kennedy Ohene Ejapon. Muntio, was it this matter having been brought before the court by lawyers for Honorable Kennedy Ejapon? Matter then say, yes, he won 18 million, and was 18 million neso. And then one defendant no about be applicant say because was say a so do diente so. Lawyer for na court document na body no was say for an order molding the jury award, and the court having considered the matter, the submissions of counsel and the arguments of counsel, if any, and for good cause showing, it is on this 12th day of May 2025 ordered that defendant's motion is hereby granted. Defendant's motion is hereby granted. Who was the defendant? Honorable Kennedy Akwampre Ejapon was the defendant. Which motion was granted? The motion say yes, he want 18 million and was say eso etiente so. That was the motion that they filed. See, ordered that defendant's motion is hereby granted and ordered that the total jury award of $18 million. Court document the kutabino. Me said so need me will be. Accountants mo beye accountants mo pretend say mo ye said for muntimi motimanya small training kakra. So wabbing unya small training kakra bia, you talk as a journalist, not as an accountant being used as a broadcaster. Ubitimi ayesa enye ding. Was say ordered that the trial jury award $18 million is hereby molded to $500. Ordered that a copy of this order shall be served upon all parties within 7 days of the date of this order. Honorable Jeffrey B. Beecham, JSC, and was it for the reason stated on the record. Enti document and the can be on my phone so. Eti the mechanic nyina ne say asem no Honorable Kennedy Japan D4 odi4 no ye fine no 18 million was 18 million ne so enimre mu no lawyer for appeal wo mo appeal ye no court no judge na gia tum was 18 million no so dodo it won't $500 o ye date bi ko gina baby say Honorable Kennedy Japan di bim wasem assembly we had the say Honorable Kennedy Japan the DB. In fact, minimum defamation case will we see ya. Sika nipa krope court na granted that me who be that e to be to be kwase yan granted nipa kro no e be 10 billion. Omo keka ye be wi yes 500,000. Ye keka eti say me kwape 10 billion Ghana cedis. Me see say ma me 10 billion. Na court no e say o me dibem but 10 billion e so do eti ma me 100 million na. And at 10,000, have I lost the case? I didn't go to court say BS Kenda make up pay. many monyama de twitwi form na me say me mpene enti me court to restore my integrity, and I have restored it because when the first market ukato me so no when me have evidence ama wo no ba be trofo. And people I just don't get it. Probably this may be the last time I'm talking about this. In fact, lawyer Amodate a spokesperson for Honorable Kennedy Japan. One kasa watch a very lengthy article. Baby, me read it to Ebi. Was saying Judge Beecham emphasized that a new trial on damages was not warranted because the law governing permissible defamation damages, the law governing permissible defamation damages in New Jersey provides a clear ceiling of $500 in the absence. Oh goodness, I don't know. Echo. Lawyer Amodate, say, Emra ewo New Jersey. Say obi do court na was it defamation na sika ebetime twa de amount kese eye $500. Lawyer Amodate ne kan oye spokesperson and lawyer for Honorable Kennedy Akompreku Ejapon. Etu onu ase damages o number 2 say Honorable Kennedy Ejapon asem we wanifo a ekebeye dan na court no aka say on twa $500 ema anas ton den ema no toma no a egu anas tiri so no ye no toma no ana waton the pen ana waton the recorder the man no e de ben adwa ben wo ye man no a e so twa $500 e de man no ma chechim de wose wada no ni nyane edin de wose wada no ni nyane edin Benjamin Chade enipa bebre omonka so mada nyame adom da no mada ti wunyane no mo beti eti manyane wo mu nyame adom mu nyina ate ye fam god na Asare-Bediako me a trained journalist I was afọ e ba mu nyina akwa ba ko ka bai e ho ye
nyame ti ase
e de nyame ase na wokọ hin so beba be hu se wo yi ho ba now near around I say on bibia pie ho ana
o se me ti say clearing agent
no
Mahama is the who
sao okay
ye nya so president bi mu
sa Kumasi baby born be fe ye nya wo so ye nya so born bi ho lomo ma Philip na te say o ho ye
amiadom
o ko Asare ben
ko ye house ma menchia me sofo
na me busa we yada
Professor Mo Addison.
Okay. Eagle House.
No wa he. Asore cash wo ho pa, cash wo ho.
Achimota. And Nyamensa or pa.
Okay.
I built a church for more than 10 years.
Oh, when they say church, so to me elder.
Yeah.
Okay. Mo use that position elder or okay. And to be also a penny. Aha, okay.
Branch pastor.
Aha. Enti Philip Jima.
Eh no mo kwete sa branch na ma no.
Oh, baby ah. Achimota ho de na Philip Jima e na mote ne ka no. Ni komen so e wase no mo. Ni
boss.
Na enema te say
bibia boko.
Ye de nyame ase, ye de nyame ase. We mo fanche me na it was very important to say me mass education. Me metia me nkan obi asem. But ye viewers, wo munti de wa ha. Ebe ya se wo so radio no obi anti. Also TV no be anhwe and they were requested for say me public education no and na medi ama eti what the best starting in comedy no some of the topics na doors 120 holomo clearing agent new clearing agent aba first consignment aba am eti koka yankwai koka me da ma
say there ma Cecilia say if we na ko sika one them be PK president see obi nye bone wa pacho yenye mu obi a ube di Cecilia ube ka Cecilia da pa asem no me pa na me frɛ ma wo
hadi modua wo ana wenye duabo
eye no me pa na uyi obi na ubie wa no ka Cecilia da pa ka mo na kana se na nsuo to na light ni pa ya emfa
David. We dey hear ibudu, hear iduabo.
Because hypocrisy no. adɔɔso na deɛ aba yi sesei court kɔ no bɛyɛ dɛ clearing agent aba o na me kura ayɛ me ngɔngɔ sɛ meka clearing agent because ɔbaeɛ no na nkurɔfoɔ bi nsɛm wɔ court ɔkɔfa the boxing Rambo style Tony General otumi prosecuting nipa or general public otumi ni A+ ye banta A+ yetumi friend man ko delete bibia kotena peace UTV ye interview e praise about to be kase mama beba term. That is the era mo ayewo ye da John Dramani asa but me mfa suboni mo bia medema MPP executives any mpanimfo man yo madwuma yi ye no mayi a enye da o masione enye kabiye wo mu nie enti John mama say hey oye boni na obekrum na obepacho na udi atema enti appointees continue ye ntua awokada ye musa baby a onye sika no because obe adwuma mu no until say be a president be catch say oma obi appointment letter no amount a certain amount of dollars as your operating remuneration and sa na meti ase ba obi ababa mu na onfa ahwe maya na ba futu ba ko na mde be ma obi ase sami gemfi asem no enye ade ma obi a say wo godfather wo godmother enye nsem nyina na ye kabi na wo di authority ni panimu bi atema ya hwenye
seseng
sami gemfi eye sense of the fathers na descending no ene wunti Kwame Sefa kan radio abono ene wunti nkrofo twantro ewo Haptel say eye
Dr. Bamiadia
dia na yedum kanea bia na asa umita no putin of kra still na rane na sika ebe firi mu aba no o mache Haptel so a person the company nyini wo de omfo antro so ne saa noma no so atena ya hwehan nti eye boni bebri wedi na kakra e ka che ne se we kra won se onye boni kra won hu se ne ekọ na obaye boni ekwan no so onam so no N1 ye twa so yie speed ram ni so traffic light ni so o kwa eye smooth na saa ka akwan no nsuo to na escape a hwenyi wo nti yema Sami Jemfi, congratulations for doing what is needful. Boy appointee wa ben mo you too you can go and change your cedis to dollars. Chichenkrofo bi. Omu welcome no omu fa. Ntema no akọ Facebook no aka say we are sorry say yes ebe ma public recognition. Udin be tene kama. You become a role model. President Befrel, chief of staff Befrel. No why kanana. Na president unconstitutional. Otu free kroma wankra obi a manu ehun hia no so be fra ka say why ade awoye no wo pa cho pe me de ache ba nkrofo foforo de ode om nam court egu obi enim ase enti meka se Sami Jemfi asem na aba ye nyina mo nsem president ayade the fanfula the father of clearing agents the man who can stand and say things differently the most indecisive president ever worldwide. Ayiko.
Yeah. All right. Now was it the fanfula?
Yes.
Yes. Is it a new word? Oh,
a fanfula.
Mati. Ni kwami. Yang kwai. What the beka you know we know be an answer. All right.
Meda was godon. Ma fa kwanya we so na ma chia watiefo na wahwefo ama je pene amu hwe wuntumi radio and so muti to me radio
yes.
Clearing agent asem ya yeken me asemi start ya Monday na me kan say the president himself has admitted say or ye indecisive president me obi na kan no ankasa na tire won the book mu my first coup d'etat akasa obi indecisive president as e kire ne say wo man panyin wa be launch code of ethics na fe no wa appointee
and a code of conduct then a code of conduct
whatever it is ade anche na wan kase wa appointee gina bedwam ahihye sika ka ama na oche agrada de nkwan de timi ba abontin de emma abontin de enim wonim say your government appointee ya ye workers bi wo hono mu a eni kwan se utọ and I say we say an amount of money bi wo no mu a eni kwan se utimi de to car
government appointee
of course
say we private money dey
minim sir but we are government appointee car na sami den fi twi no obi adwen course wo
almost the boarding
25 registration number na am nhwe
and say 20 year 2025
they range between $120,000 to $275,000.
now we are government
na ye den
we are government appointee now we twi worth over $100,000
na ye den say bi aban na ato ama no
beauty nka ho
eti no me de American ne say ade we ekoso no agrada ade yi na ba abontin na afi obi adwen abaso na de o ma che wo dan mu a ya adwen ma so de anase ye ni mienu we ehu ye no entimi nka ho asem but me hwe social media ya enua ba na moamu ni ade ne mo response bi o mo de ba kire se sami jemfi abobra entinu owo tumi anase owo sa akwanya ne se na sami jemfi ne ma mi sila branda pa ho na di kan ba obra se ye meja omo ono mo ma ye so dia omo mienu no yemfa mo ntu nsani ni ne yenhwe omo mie hwan na abobra. I don't want to go into these details, but me person me responded to Honorable A+.
Sir.
Yes.
Why then? What can was him?
Pardon, I think say 2-3 weeks ago, a bar platform which me back and saying be say Parliament na won your lower standard. Your man ko fo bi 2 million mo makotena parliament. Omo nsem fata so mo betena parliament.
But say ya battle.
Meba, e be do wonom. Omo conduct ankasa as parliament. Ebu parliament. And I say good parliament hu fim. Onim say Honorable A+ Kotna UTV kwaya damage control. Eko kika nsem bi wa abonten say MPP for yenim de eye. Ene akọ organize press conference was am gemfi hu. Ene yesi President Mahama pese okote tem. Ene asema odini nsa pem ne bo say President Mahama wo o pese okọ 3 times a obetima amend the constitution no da through parliament. Because our numbers no honum. Honorable A+ me kan pen say wa bomb. You don't deserve to be a parliamentarian.
Na say enye
When him say
omonye exams.
Constitution na da honum no. Ye fa be constitution be a friend entrenched position.
Yeah.
Entrenched position che say clauses all those clauses no untimi nkotina parliament say oh yeah amendment. It must go through referendum. Chapter 8 of the constitution. The executive. Article 66 clause 2 of the constitution it the number of